Zion, close your eyes. Close your eyes. This is a surprise lunch for you. Is your eyes closed?
Yes.
Close it. Surprise.
Huh?
Huh?
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Is that this? Okay, I'm gonna check for other surprise quickly. Okay, now let's go fetch the real surprise. Close your eyes, Zion. Surprise.
Yes. Thank you.
How does that look?
Like me.
Yes, with your fat kop and with your long legs. See there?
I don't know. Lana.
She even got hair on and whiskers. Like Mr. Blue.
Let me see what's in the sun.
Where you wearing to?